Hey everyone, welcome back to Kimi's English Podcast, the show that helps you prepare for the IELTS speaking test through natural conversation and real-life examples. I'm Ronnie.
And I'm Kimi. In today's episode, we're talking about something really basic, but also super important, how to introduce yourself in the IELTS speaking test.
That's right. The IELTS speaking test often starts with questions about you, your name, where you're from, what you do, and so on. So mastering your self-introduction gives you a confident start.
Ronnie, some learners think introducing yourself is easy, but I still get nervous. Why does it matter so much?
Good question. It matters because it sets the tone for your entire speaking test. If you start strong, you're more likely to stay relaxed and confident.
Makes sense. So what should we focus on when introducing ourselves?
You should focus on clarity, fluency, and natural expression. And always remember, you're not just answering questions, you're having a conversation with the examiner.
Can we go over some common questions?
Of course. Let's do a mini mock test. I'll ask, you answer. Ready?
Let's go.
What's your full name?
My full name is Achia Kimi, but you can just call me Kimi.
Do you work or are you a student?
I'm currently a university student majoring in English literature. I'm really passionate about language and communication.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka, the capital of Bangladesh. It's a busy city, but I love its energy and culture.
Perfect. That was natural and detailed. See how Kimi didn't just give short answers? She added personality and context.
Ronnie, I often get stuck using the same words, like always saying, I like, or it's nice.
That's super common. Try to replace nice with more expressive words like lively, relaxing, or fascinating. And instead of I like, say I enjoy, I'm really into, or I'm passionate about.
Got it. So vocabulary matters a lot, even in simple introductions.
Exactly. The examiner listens for your range of vocabulary, even if the topic is simple.
Here's a full example you can use for practice. Hi, my name is Achia Kimi. I'm currently studying English literature at a local university. I come from Dhaka, which is a vibrant and historic city in Bangladesh. In my free time, I enjoy reading fiction, watching English dramas, and writing short stories. I'm preparing for the IELTS exam because I want to pursue a master's degree abroad and improve my communication skills.
That's so complete. It covers education, location, hobbies, and future goals.
Ronnie, any final tips before we wrap up?
Yes. Smile and stay calm. Practice speaking out loud daily. Record yourself and listen back. Don't memorize, be natural.
Thank you, Ronnie. I'm feeling more confident already.
That's all for today's episode on introducing yourself in the IELTS speaking test. We hope you found it helpful.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like, comment, and subscribe to Kimi's English Podcast. Let us know in the comments, how would you introduce yourself?
Thanks for listening and see you in the next episode. Bye for now.